welcome to Šabac. This is another meet, and a big meet, so I can say, in the organization of the tuning club Šabac. So we're here to just watch some cars today, have some fun, enjoy the sun, and maybe even some music competition, but we're gonna see that. So far as you can see, Mini is here. We brought the Mini with us. It's parking, best parking spot there is. The guys came through, they gave us the parking spot, best there is. And so I'm gonna give my best to get you guys in and to see the organization and how one meet should look like. So please stay tuned, I'm gonna follow me. Let's go. As you saw, I already filmed a bunch of cars, and there is randomly placed cars over here. I don't know if this is for a competition or just parking, but as you can see, literally the BMW 3 Series with big ass subwoofer, and there is a CLA and the Golf and a Golf and an Audi and BMW Cabrio over here. There is a bunch of cars just randomly placed. Honestly, I don't know if this is just the parking or this is a competition area, but if it's competition area, it's huge, ginormous. Honestly, I don't know. There is I don't know, I can say about 1,000 cars over here. So I'm just gonna try to give you all the preview of the cars here, and we're gonna go to the main fest area in a few minutes. I just wanna film but there is so much cars that I really wanna see, and they're all pretty, the rims and everything, they're legit good cars. So let's go, let's see what we can find, some interesting cars, and maybe there is also something else interesting, a beer competition right now. There is actually a beer competition going on, even the ladies are participating in it. So yeah, let's go and see. Yeah, give us some copyright music, we love that. So, as you saw the cars, this is for a music competition. Now we're gonna go to the guy who's actually organizing the music competition in Serbia for years. Not only in Serbia, but also in Bosnia, Croatia, everywhere around, every neighboring country. This is the guy that's actually been in the scene for maybe approximately like 20 years. So, let me bring you to him.
Šabac i
Neću ja sramotiti ovo išlo 150. Realno. Nećemo platiti.
This is the guy that's actually been doing this for like 20 years. He's the guy that's organizing this. 22 years. I told you, so it's approximately 20 years and plus. This is the guy that's organizing this, and I know him for years. And this is the guy for the music competition in Serbia. If you need anything related to that, hit him up. This is Deda Dule. So right now we're in front of stand with my friends Sim Master Center. They have, as you can see, all bunch of simulators here, which they're gonna using for a really good competition, by the way, and also it's good for practicing. So I'm gonna bring you guys to meet him, to see what he's doing. Maybe you're gonna like him, maybe not, but if you like what he's doing and you want to have a sim like this, you can hit him up and we can hook you up with someone to assist you with choosing the right sim for you. So let's get in. Dobar dan, brate moj. Štovanje.
Dobro mi došli.
Bolje te našao. This is the guy that I'm talking about. This is the guy that owns all of this. Not all of this, but like he has a really good fucking sims and at a Dorchel. You need to come and check the place out.
4 times this number.
Yeah, 4 times the number.
Yeah.
As you can see, guys, this is like standard sim rig, which you can use for racing, for literally just honestly getting yourself into driving. If you want to practice and you don't have a car, easiest way to practice.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little more about your business, just as a commercial?
As a commercial, come and drive. It's the
You know me, bro. Like you know me.
easiest, fastest commercial. Now, what else? You said everything, man. This sim racing place for all the enthusiasts, car lovers,
Bike lovers.
racers, bike lovers also.
Yeah.
We watch F1, MotoGP with decent guys, you know.
Yeah, decent guys. So
Decent guys.
you don't have to be into sim racing, but you can love bikes, you can love Formula, you can like everything, or you're just hanging out with us
Yeah,
two nice
yeah,
dudes. You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
So basically, that's it. My man,
it.
thank you very much. We're gonna try one of these.
Yeah, just help yourself.
Thank you very much, bro. As you can see, they are keeping the best cars here. This is the car that I want.
Da li nam je sudina tu? Gligoviću.
And this is the precise reason why I won the car, bro. The best engine ever produced.
Pusti malo šta se sviđati jer stani. Dajmo veliki aplauz za Tuning Blue Šabac.
This is the exactly the most Serbian thing that you can see on like one car gathering. Literally, the most like Serbian thing. This and like tossing the engine or a gearbox or something like in the sand. There is nothing more than this. Like this is like too Serbian like gathering. This is why I like coming here. Like to enjoy, have a nice food, be some nice people, some nice, very nice cars, and enjoying the atmosphere. Stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you more, but probably I'm gonna drink something right now. So thank you.